Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find the MAC address of your laptop on Windows 10 using the built-in System Information tool. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type System Information in the search bar. From the results, open the System Information app. Once it opens, look to the left panel and expand the section called Components. Now click on Network and then select Adapter. On the right side, you'll see a detailed list of all network adapters installed on your laptop. Scroll down until you find the adapter you're currently using, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Under that adapter's details, look for the entry labeled MAC address. That's the unique identifier for your device's network card. And that's it. You've successfully found your laptop's MAC address using the System Information tool in Windows 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. For more quick tech tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.